will be doing the code for the Arduino KY306 touch sensor. So we'll start with our sensor pin. Then we want to add a value that's going to be taken from our digital read. So we're just going to leave it empty for now. Then we're going to write our setup code. And this is going to contain pin mode, which tells the Arduino what the pin is used for. So since we're going to be touching the sensor, it's going to be feeding an input to the Arduino. So sensor, that's the pin, and then the mode is going to be input. So pin 3 from the sensor will now be an input. That's it. Then we write serial, and then the standard baud rate of these electronics is 9600. It's just how it is. Void loop. This is the code that's going to keep running within the Arduino. So we want to use this val that we had from the top and put the digital read value in. Then we're going to put sensor. So this is digital read is going to take place on pin 3, which is where sensor stores this value 3. And we told the Arduino that's an input. So digital read is just going to keep checking it every time this code loops to see if it's going to be a high or a low value. When it becomes a high value, what we want to do is we want to check using our own condition. So if val equals high, we want to know that the sensor is being touched. So we're going to output to the screen serial.println sensor touched. Then I will add a delay of 200 milliseconds. And that's to distinctly show each touch separate from each other. And it will be printed sensor touched on a new line. Here, if you also want to see, if you want to know the command for activating the serial monitor, where you'll see these sensor touched items, it's going to be on this display here. So you have to press here. You have to press command. Wait, but don't actually type this in the thing. So you have to press command shift M, and that will show you the serial monitor. So right now it says not connected. So once we do connect an Arduino port, which we will in the next video, you will see how this works, how this code works with the sensor attached to the Arduino. Basically what will happen is the sensor itself will light up bright green, and it'll display sensor touched on this screen. That rhymed. Anyways, take care. See you in the next video.